9 years ago, I took a 3-month, 1,000-mile sailing trip with my father. One night, alone on the deck, with the sound of the wave, I felt that wind blew, and a couple of seconds later, the boat moved as if it replied to the wind. I experienced perfect harmony of nature with something man had created, and came up with Nature Remo to conserve energy while improving user experience with room air conditioners.
I'm a dad of 2 kids. I wanted to build something to make the world a little bit better for them.
Remo transforms any air conditioners to smart air conditioners. You can remotely access to your AC with smartphone, automatically turn off your AC with motion sensor. Remo is connected to home Wi-Fi, and you can communicate with your smartphone via mobile internet. It uses infrared commands to communicate with existing ACs. Remo is equipped with various sensors, including temperature, humidity, and motion sensors.
Thank you for watching. We need help to revolutionize your experience with home appliances and to create a future for people and nature. Thank you.